Have you ever been misunderstood just because of the way you said a word? Even though your grammar was perfect? Pronunciation isn't just about sounding good. It's about being clearly understood. Hi, and welcome to the first session of our English Mastery course. Now, in this module, we'll help you understand how English works, be it sounds, sentence structures, or anything, starting from the very basics. So, you speak clearly, confidently, and correctly. Let's begin with the most fundamental question. So, why pronunciation matters? Number one, clear pronunciation means professional credibility. It reduces confusion in emails, calls, and meetings. It also builds confidence in global and formal settings. If people can't understand your words, your message is lost, even if your vocabulary is strong. And that's why this course starts with sounds, not sentences. Remember, English has 26 letters, but there are 40 distinct sounds. So let's break it down. We'll start with vowel letters, that is A, E, I, O, and U. Each vowel can have multiple sounds depending on the word. Here are some key examples. So the first sound is A, as in cat, cake, or about. Then E, as in bed or sea. Then I means sit, machine, or high. O sound means in go, hot, or moon. And then we have U, that can give you a sound like up or boot. Then we have consonant sounds. Now these sounds combine with vowels to form complete words. Some letters have more than one sound. For example, C has got two sounds, K as in cat, S as in city. Similarly, G has got two sounds as in go or in gem, G and J. T can be sharp like in tap and soft like in better, or even silent sometimes. X can sound like box or xylophone, Z sound. Similarly, Y can sound like Y, that is in yes, or E, that is in happy. Now let's study short versus long vowel sounds. Long sounds match the letter name. For example, A in gate, I in bike, but short sounds are quicker, like cat, I in bit. The example, bit versus beat, cap versus cat, full versus fool. Can you see the difference? But then there is something more, which is diphthong. Now these are double vowel sounds. A diphthong is the sound of two vowels combined within a single syllable. Examples, A as in day, name, or I as in time, client, O like in go and frown, or ow like in now or how. Similarly, I sound like in voice, choice. Now try speaking these sentences. I will go now. She made a wise choice. My phone is out of power. Let's now study word families. Here are some common word families. Like we have AT, that means add. You will get it in many words like in cat, bat, sat. Similarly, in pin, din, sin. And as in man, cam. Similarly, it like in sit, lit, or ought like in hot, not, ugh like in bug, rug. Similarly, hop, nop. So let's practice sounds with a paragraph. So here is a paragraph that includes many of the sounds and diphthongs we have learned so far. Listen to how it's spoken and then try reading it aloud slowly. On a Tuesday morning, Dave made a wise choice to go out for a walk. As he passed the noisy park, his phone rang. How are you? Asked a voice. I'm doing fine, Dave replied with a smile. He looked at the blue sky, heard a boy shout, and thought, life is full of bright moments. We can also do a role play to practice real life speech. So what we are going to do, we are going to listen to a conversation between a manager and a team member. So pay attention to the pronunciation, tone, and sentence clarity as well. And try to mimic it. We've got two characters, Mr. Ravindra, who is a manager, and Anita, who is a team member. So here we go. Mr. Ravindra. Good morning, Anita. How was your weekend? Anita. Good morning, Mr. Ravindra. It was quiet. Thank you. I went for a drive. Mr. Ravindra says, a drive sounds wise. Did you get a chance to review the client file? Oh, yes, I reviewed it twice. The client seems very interested. Oh, that's great. Make sure the report is ready by Tuesday. Anita says, absolutely. I have already written most of it. And Mr. Ravindra says, wonderful. Let's double check the figures. Accuracy is key. Anita says, I noticed the totals on page 5 might be off. Please verify them again before the deadline. Oh, will do. Also, I need help with the new email to the vendor. And Mr. Ravindra says, sure. Let's make the tone polite but firm. Anita says, should I attach the updated chart or send it separately? And Mr. Ravindra replies, attach it. Keep things simple and clear. Anita says, got it. I'll have it sent before noon. Oh, perfect. Thanks, Anita. Let me know if you face any issues. And what you need to do is, you can replay it and try to speak with me. And your task is, you need to record the paragraph and the role play as two separate audio files. And then listen to your recordings and compare them with our version. This will help you hear where you are doing well and where you need improvement. So today we understood vowel and consonant sounds. We recognized the short versus long vowel sounds. And we also identified diphthongs. And we practiced pronunciation through real life examples, role play and paragraph. Let's keep practicing and refining our sounds. See you in the next session.